The Vivo X Fold 6 officially launches on June 26th, and we already have an early unit in hand. You've probably seen this design before, but a foldable phone with a camera module that looks this unique, that's definitely something new. So no waiting, let's jump straight into the unboxing.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
This is the 16GB RAM and 1TB storage version. Hold on, is that a Type-C port? Inside the box, we get the charger, charging cable, and a protective case. Surprisingly, it's a hard shell case, and wow, the texture feels premium. And here's the blue color. Let's peel off the film. This is the overall design, and here's the side profile before unfolding. Just look at how flat it is. Vivo has done an impressive job. Time for the first unfold. Wow, this color looks stunning. It's called Blue Hole. The back has a premium finish with a gradient that gets deeper from bottom to top, almost like looking into the deep ocean. Honestly, I haven't seen a blue quite like this before. There are also Silver Lake and Midnight versions with fiberglass backs. This Blue Hole model uses glass, and it feels incredibly smooth and cool in the hand. The camera bump protrudes slightly and uses a dual module design. You get a triple camera setup, a periscope telephoto, an ultra-wide camera, and the main sensor. Up top, there's also what appears to be a laser autofocus sensor and an infrared blaster. Even the flash units are separated. At the top is an independent speaker paired with the bottom speaker for stereo sound. There are also 4 microphones in total, hinting at powerful video and audio recording capabilities. The frame is made of metal. One great thing about foldables is that all the buttons stay on one side when folded. This separate key is likely the A button, while below it are the volume rocker and power button. The power key also seems to double as a fingerprint scanner. Vivo's old dual fingerprint system for both displays now appears to be gone. Which unlocking method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. On the front, Vivo has adopted this year's popular rounded corner design. All 4 corners are softer, and compared to the sharper edges of the previous generation, the Vivo X Fold 6 feels much more comfortable and looks even better. Once unfolded, the inner display looks incredibly clean. The bezels are even on all 4 sides, giving it a perfectly balanced appearance. The selfie camera sits in the upper right corner and does look slightly larger than usual. There's also a light sensor on the left side that's visible even from an angle. Now, check this out. The phone can stay suspended at around 90 degrees. Even when opening outward, it still holds its position. It only starts springing back at about 130 degrees. And yes, it can fold inward too, although that's not very useful. Overall, the hinge feels excellent, with smooth damping and a premium, solid feel. The included case is surprisingly impressive. It has a leather-like finish with a diamond texture, and the color matches the phone perfectly. Once installed, it feels comfortable and adds extra grip. Even better, the case completely covers the camera module, so you don't have to worry about scratching the lenses when placing the phone down. The phone also comes with a Teleconverter accessory kit. First, attach the adapter ring, then twist on the Teleconverter, and suddenly this foldable looks like a mini missile. We tested it ourselves, and it works with both the older self-propelled scope and the newer JR version. In fact, Vivo is the first brand to bring this kind of accessory support to a large foldable phone. Now here's the interesting part. According to official information, Vivo skipped Snapdragon once again. Instead, the X Fold 6 is powered by the Dimensity 9500 Super Edition, a chip co-developed with MediaTek. Vivo claims a huge 111% boost in NPU performance while reducing power consumption by 56%. There's more. Vivo has also created the Orion OS 6 Fold specifically for foldables. The upgraded AA Atomic Workbench can reportedly run up to 5 tasks on one screen at the same time. The system even includes the recently popular Raising Lobsters feature and improved phone-to-computer integration. It sounds seriously exciting, but unfortunately, I can't show you everything just yet. Once the Vivo X Fold 6 officially launches, I'll bring you a full, in-depth review. So if you're excited about the Vivo X Fold 6 and love content like this, hit subscribe and join our tech community. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!